Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Pine X tutorial how to make blur brush. So you can click on the brush tools and then choose the brush options. To make blur, I will use these options: airbrush trapezoid 40%, and you can change for the opacity in it for the pattern like this. If you're done, you can set for blend mode in this option. As default, we use the normals, and then you can create the blur brush with these tools. Okay, you can change again by clicking these icons. I will increase the pattern opacity, or you can change into another options like airbrush triangle. So this is for the triangles. You can increase the pattern opacity, and then you can create again the blur brush. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Pine X tutorial, how to make blur brush. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.